It's the Crafty Sisters.
And today we are making agua frescas.
Agua Fresca is a refreshing summer drink from Mexico.
But before we get started, do not forget to look for our special item in our background. It's a small pig, and we'll be revealing its location at the end of the video. Let's go over our ingredients.
Okay, so our first ingredient that we need is a type of fruit. A common fruit that they use is watermelon. So we're using watermelon and a little bit of honeydew.
Our next ingredient is a 1/3 cup of lime juice.
Our third ingredient is a 1/2 cup of sugar.
And our final ingredient is 8 cups of water, but divided. It's divided into 7 cups and 1 cup. Let's get started.
Okay, we are going to be adding our 5 cups of watermelon, our 1/2 cup of sugar, and
Our 1 cup of water.
into our blender. And it's also okay to do it in batches.
Water.
And our 1/2 cup of sugar. So we have our sugar, our watermelon, and our water in here, and we're going to blend it up until it's smooth. This is what it should look like. We're adding this mixture to our pitcher to do our second round of watermelon.
Since watermelon has so much water in it, it'll blend without any additional water added to it. We are using watermelon to blend this mixture up.
Okay, once we have all our sugar, our watermelon, and our water in here, we are going to stir in our lime juice and our remaining 7 cups of water. Okay, and now that we've got all our ingredients in our pitcher, we are going to stir it up. Now we're going to try our agua fresca. If you want to, you can refrigerate it for an hour so it gets cool.
It's really good.
It's really good. Taste the lime juice.
Yeah, it's my favorite part.
Mm-hmm.
This is the Crafty Sisters.
We hope you enjoyed this recipe.
Like,
And subscribe.
and we'll see you next time.
Bye!
This is where our special item was.